I don't know what you're looking at your life. It seems like it's not enough. But what if you multiplied it with your gratitude? What if before the miracle ever transpired, you were able to say, God, thank you for what I do have. Instead of looking at what you lack, what you've missed, what you've lost, who has left you, what if you looked at the little that you had left and said, God is still worthy of my gratitude and my thanksgiving because I didn't even have to have this, but he saw fit to bless me with a little. And how many of you know that it may start like a little when you hand it to Jesus, but when you thank God for it, little is much when God is in it. I wonder what would happen if there were some grateful people in this room. You may not have the job you want, but are you grateful for the job you have? You may not have the current circumstances you want, but do you have the circumstances that you need? You may not have the help that you want, but are you able to see? Are you able to move? Are you able to... Hey, and if that's not enough, maybe it's not about what we have. Maybe it's about whose we are and who we belong to. Maybe you don't have all the material things and every opportunity that you think you should have, but you have Jesus. And if you have Jesus, you have hope. If you have Jesus, you have joy. If you have Jesus, you have peace. If you have Jesus, you have forgiveness, salvation, redemption, healing, power, strength, comfort. I'm grateful. I may not have what I want, but I have more than I deserve. I may not have what I want, but I have more than I deserve. I've got a reason to give God praise.